Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is one from the Vosteed line. This is the Vosteed Bellamy, and this one in here is in green micarta, and this is probably one of the best micartas I have come across because of the texture that's provided on it. Truly amazing. Let you get a good look at this here. This is in a nice satin finish, 154 cm steel, and yep, you can see that right there. And here also is the name of the knife, the Bellamy. And there's the very minute branding on there just to let you know where it came from. Vosteed, I have been overly impressed with this line. I believe the original equipment manufacturer is Kaiser, which is always top notch. And these guys have come out of the gate blowing away a lot of competition with its prices and its quality. It's just truly amazing, hitting all the right marks. And this one here is definitely doing that. Overall, we're looking at just under 8 inches, and the blade itself is 3.5. They say it's 3.44, but it measured 3.5. Blade thickness is only 0.11 inches. Handle is about 4.5 inches, and the handle width is only a half inch. This is right side or left side tip up carry with a deep pocket clip, and it's a nice clip. It's very springy, but it's really on there. And because of that very aggressive type of milling that's been done on that handle, I did try it out first in the pocket, and I did find it to be a little rough for me, or at least for my denim. And I went and got myself my sharp maker, or work sharp grinder, and just took the clip off and marked off where that would be, and yeah, just smoothed it down just a smidgen. Still has plenty there. Put a little oil just to make it not too offset, but yeah, this is what it looks like if you do put the oil on there. And when you get it, it's a nice green. But once you get this in your hand, what really just seals the deal is the tremendous traction of that micarta. Truly amazing. I do wish that they had that type of traction on the Labrador that I got. I love this Labrador. Fantastic knife. Slightly bigger than the Bellamy, but I did do my little grip tape trip there just to make that a little more for me. And because it's a bigger knife, the drop action of those ceramic ball bearings is a little more fluid. But slight shake and that does come down just nice. You got some nice jimping pretty much everywhere you need it. Particularly, of course, the top flip there. I'm sorry, the the finger flip, and you also have it really nicely done on there for just nice little slight roll. Now, I will say one thing when it came to the Labrador is if you try to do that front flip and you're just a little too high up on the handle, that flipper can get in your way and jam you up. Not having that problem with this one here, it just is perfect. And let you get a nice look at that blade. It is a slicing machine, great point, and you can't go wrong with 154 cm steel. It's one of the best that I've really have in my collection, and I would be happy with most knives being it. Great stain resistance, edge retention, good strong steel, and there's no question as to why many other knife makers and higher priced companies use that steel. And yeah, I've been a big fan of it. Just a little bit of slight stropping and you're already back to hair popping, shaving with that blade. You do have some nice jimping on the liner as well, and it's very comfortable to get from this way or from around. You got plenty of access there, and yeah, This is a winner. And you can get the finger flip. Let's see. Yep. See if I can back up a little more and do that again for you. Yeah, that was a little weak. But you get the idea. You've got different ways of opening it very easily. And you can use that nail nick that's on the blade to just do it, very nonchalantly. And it's really nice. And again, you do have a place there for switching out for the right side, left side area for that clip. They got their small, slight branding right there on there for the Vosteed. And the Vosteeds do come with some nice goodies. They come in this great steel tin. You do get yourself a microfiber cloth. And it does have the name of their company on it. I found that they always come with like their patch and a sticker that is of the knife that you are getting. With the Labrador, they had the dog with the knife in his mouth, and of course you got this here with the Bellamy, which is pretty cool. And you also got your spec of the actual knife of what you're getting. Let's see if I can get that so you can read it. Yeah, there you go. And as well as they got their 30-day money back guarantee return of the knife if you had any problems. And the way I hear it, they're very excellent with that if you did have that problem, which I haven't heard anybody having any problems with their knives, but then again, who knows. But at least you have that in case there is. So this again is offered at White Mountain Knives. If you use my discount code of capital NCN for Newcastle Ninja, you get the 10% off. You can also go on Vosteed's site. I know that these things are selling like hotcakes, and I can see why, because they are excellent. I mean, you got that Kaiser excellence in quality, and it is really just a great knife. And yeah, super smooth, and it is super sharp, and it's a winner. So there you go. I do hope that you like my videos, and I'd love to hear from you if you want to go ahead and leave a comment, maybe a suggestion or anything else that you want to say. And especially if you would hit that like button, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, because the more the merrier, and I could really use it. So there you go. I'm Newcastle Ninja. This is the Vosteed Bellamy, and I hope you have a good one. Take care.